say the new luxuries in life are slower mornings and freedom to choose. Well, here you can have a little bit of both. Enjoying a slow morning, a cup of coffee. My name is Marina Saves. I work with Blue Palm Real Estate, and it's a pleasure to have you along with me to show you some $1 million views. Welcome to Tankah Bay, a very special place between the jungle and the sea. Many people don't know that Tulum proper doesn't actually have oceanfront properties, but right here, only 15 minutes outside of Tulum, you have a beautiful gated community, a safe option for you and your family, cenotes, the jungle, and an incredible beachfront. Today, you're gonna follow me. I'm going to show you a 3-bed, 3.5 bathroom, 2,500 square foot unit available with incredible, pristine ocean views. Come along with me. Let's go and take a look at the beautiful amenities that this option has. And after that, we'll go and see those $1 million views. Just a few things that I wanted to point out. I mean, first of all, look at these grand entrances. It's absolutely beautiful. We continue, we go inside, and this is a unique concept. We have elevators, you do have a bodega, and then you have this beautiful sand. I mean, it is an impeccable way to start your holiday or your second home is right here, feet in the sand. There's some beautiful games to play, keep yourself occupied. The beach, wait until the end, because really this is something absolutely spectacular. So stay to the end of this video because I do want to show it to you. Come along this way. We do have a little bar, breakfast bar. Order a smoothie, a beverage. There is security. Tankah Bay is also special because it is a gated community. So not too many people know about this. This is a growing area, but it's safe, secure, quiet, peaceful, tranquil, everything that you can think of as your secondary home or on vacation. A good way to bond with your family is to play some games. Right here on the beach, feet in the sand. And if you want to work on that jungle beach body, obviously, but a tiny, tiny little gym that you can follow me. Work on your beach body. You know, flex those muscles right on the beach. Order a drink. Work from home. Again, the new luxury here, freedom to choose exactly where it is that you want to be. And best of all, beautiful place to relax, enjoy the sunshine, dip into this refreshing oceanfront pool. We're lucky we have it all to ourselves today. Don't let these beautiful amenities distract you. This is all a grand part of what could be yours for the right price. It's a little warm out here, so I would love for you to follow me. Beautiful unit, 3-bed, 3.5 bathroom, over 2,500 square feet. And I'll tell you that price tag at the end, these beautiful, gorgeous views. Welcome to Unit 103, a beautiful 3-bed, 3.5 bath, just under 2,600 square feet of impeccable oceanfront property. We have chikung walls, spacious living and dining area, and the best of all, Best of all, luxury oceanfront living. Come along. A beautiful place to entertain you, your family, your loved ones. A gorgeous patio. We've got marble floors. Over here, shade, relaxing environment over here. Of course, stunning private beach, a drink, a family barbecue, dinners, a place to entertain and call your absolute own. Look at the details of this backdrop here. It's gorgeous. Easy breezy beach living, waterproof furniture, and this stunning view. All these doors open. Let me just show you actually. All the way to expand your living space. French style doors. Mosquito nets. They've thought about everything for you, for easy and beautiful, entertaining, outside, inside. You can see here, we don't just have your standard 6 top table, but no, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 table dining with lots of space. What I consider the heart of every home is the kitchen, and this is a fantastic, beautiful option to show you guys. You can come along and see. We do have marble floors, a large L-shaped quartz countertop, lots of space, stainless steel appliances, electric 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cooktop, dual sink, and a really nice touch. From any angle, you can actually see the ocean view. A few details of this extremely spacious 3-bedroom. Perfect. A bodega to hide all your things, put things, whether it's a vacation home or your secondary home. A great space here. We have a large entranceway. Very, very spacious. Put your keys down, relax, take your shoes off. And we also have a half bath. A secondary great space to entertain outside of your beautiful patio. Of course, your gorgeous kitchen is no less the living and family room. Got a large, again, L-shape. I'm not sure if this is 90-inch TV, but a wonderful place to relax with the entire family. Just a few details to mention to you about this beautiful space. And again, it's under 2,600 square feet. Price point is $1.4 million. We have central air. Nice touch in a property like this. And now let's go and take a look at exactly where we will be sleeping. Welcome to the master bedroom. Super, super spacious, absolutely stunning, beautiful ocean views is what we have. Of course, we've got our king size, lush king bed, beautiful decorating, and you'll see that Illuminati style, but it is quite contemporary. One of my favorite details about this entire property is the walls too. This is called chukum. This is a resin specific to the area that actually keeps the temperature cool. Another really great feature as well is your bathroom. You've got your ensuite, a gorgeous walk-in closet, and 2 sinks. Follow me. Minimalist style. You've got Moen faucet finishings. And you do have 2 separate pieces in here. Private bath and shower, rain style, which is lovely. And enough space to even sit down. Nice features. Check out our beautiful little Juliet balcony. Super peaceful, incredible views. That concludes our master bedroom, but follow me, we have more space to show you. More cocoon walls, central air, and here you will find this apartment is fully loaded, as one would expect with $1.4 million. You have extra storage space here with a lock to keep things private in case you want to come back, use this as your secondary home, or even rent it out on a short or a long-term stay. So we'll start with this room, and then we'll make our way to this one. Just to continue with the flow of these beautiful properties, you've got spacious double beds, sleeping 2 and 2, gorgeous views of the jungle, and that's what makes Tankah Bay so special. Remember, Anthel means a gift of the sea in Maya, so it's in between the jungle and the sea. We continue here with another 3-piece full bath, an extension on your walk-in closet, and beautiful space to lay out all your nighttime skincare routines as well. And the last of our 3-bedroom tour is right over here. Follow me. Best thing about this is that all the natural light that you have in here is absolutely stunning. Again, views of the jungle over here. We've got fans, central air, your separate bathroom, privacy for every member of your family, which is fantastic. For a long, hard day of sun tanning and enjoying the beautiful beach, sometimes you actually need to take a seat in the shower. Your beautiful cocoon walls, and a little bit different in this unit, or in this bedroom, we've got our walk-in closet right behind us. So lots of space. Your central air, as you see here. Each room has its own unit. Lots of natural light. It's a fantastic space. Some additional features of this beautiful, just under 600 square foot unit is that it does come with its parking space, your bodega, and your very own private roof with incredible jungle views. Let's go take a look at it. Got your chic Tulum, almost industrial Tuluminati style rooftop. Beautiful, beautiful jungle views, and an additional 250 square feet of your own private patio. Over 31 million travelers came through that Cancun airport last year. One of the beautiful things, apart from gorgeous beaches, is the nature that we have. There's also time to reflect is super important. And here, look, we have a quiet zone. So I'm going to show you a little bit somewhere you can reflect, read a book, watch the waves. Let's go. So one of the nice things about Tankah Bay is the absolute pristine beaches, but look exactly how tranquil it is. From kayaking to paddleboarding, some of the most incredible snorkeling out here. This is one of the reasons why people choose, Tankah Bay. It is an incredible option. It's quiet, safe. These are your $1 million views. It's reasons exactly like this why people choose to invest in paradise in the Mexican Caribbean. I hope you enjoyed this video tour. It's been an absolute pleasure. And of course, if you want more information on this unit or absolutely any unit below, please remember to contact us and I'd be happy to do so. I'm Marina Savas with Blue Palm Real Estate.